Homework number 9, problem 10. Alright, we're going to find the sum of an infinite series this time. 7 plus 3 plus 9/7 plus ... on into infinity. Okay, go find your note card, which has your formula for your sum of an infinite series. I've got mine. Hopefully you've got yours. And let's look ahead to what we're going to need. We're going to need the first term in the series. We've got that. It's going to be 7. And we need the common ratio. So let's go about finding our common ratio. Remember, all you have to do is take any two values that are in a row and you divide one by the one before it. So I'm going to use the 3 and the 7, and it's going to be 3 divided by 7. Now that's a perfectly good number as it is. Don't change it to a decimal. It'll actually be easier to work with. You won't have to do any rounding then. So grabbing my formula now, sum of this series on into infinity is going to be my first term, a sub 1, 7, over 1 minus my common ratio. I forgot to write r equals 1 minus 3/7. Oh, this formula is so much easier to work with than the last one. Okay, so now we're going to simplify this expression, or this equation, and we get 7 over 1 minus 3/7. Well, 1 is 7/7. 7/7 minus 3/7 is 4/7. Now, if you're lazy, you can take your calculator and divide 7 by 4/7. But I remember how to divide fractions. So I have 7 over 1 for the numerator divided by 4 over 7. Now I can't just divide across for these, but I can multiply by the reciprocal. And when I multiply by the reciprocal, 7 times 7 is 49 over 4. Now if you use your calculator, you probably got a decimal. Check to see if 49 divided by 4 matches your decimal. Alright, so let's look back at what we did and why we did it. We're adding up this infinite series. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 9/7, that's a little bit more than 1, so we're at about 11 or 12, so on and so forth, and the numbers are going to keep getting smaller and smaller, so we're not going to get much bigger than about 12 or 13. Well, actually, we're going to get a little bit bigger than that. Let's see, what is 49 divided by 4? 49 divided by 4. 4 goes into 49 12 times with 1 left over. So yeah, this number is a little bit more than 12.